Take a look at this presentation. It has professional visuals, clean layouts, smooth animations, and a polished design that looks ready for a real client meeting. In fact, a friend of mine used this exact tool for just 5 minutes to create a 10-page pitch deck, and it helped them land the biggest client of the year. But here's the interesting part. This presentation wasn't created from a detailed document or a perfectly organized outline. It started with nothing more than a few messy notes about YouTube growth. I uploaded those notes into Doki AI, and within minutes it transformed them into a complete presentation. Let me show you exactly how it works. First, open Google and search for Doki AI. Once you land on the website, simply sign up with your email and create an account. After logging in, you'll see a clean and easy-to-use interface. Here, you can explore different AI tools, use cases, and ready-made templates for various tasks. Doki AI can help you write drafts, create presentations, generate long-form content, and even assist with design-related work. The possibilities are all listed right on the dashboard. Now let me show you how to turn messy notes into a professional animated presentation in just a few clicks. Simply click the upload option and upload your notes or document. As you can see, I've already uploaded my rough notes. Next, paste your prompt. You can keep the additional requirements if needed, but I'll remove them for this demo. Once everything is ready, click send. That's it. Doki AI will start processing your input and generating the presentation automatically. Now, as you can see, all the presentation settings are available for customization. Since my topic is YouTube growth and I'm creating a client presentation, I'll first select the page count. I'll go with 5 to 10 slides, which is usually enough for a concise presentation. For animations, you get 3 options: none, minimal, and balanced. I generally prefer balanced as it keeps the presentation engaging without being distracting. The language is already set to English, so that's fine. Next, head over to the themes section. You'll find a wide range of professional, high-quality themes here. You can click View All to explore them and choose the one that best fits your presentation style. I'll select this theme and click Apply. Below that, you'll see an option called Refine the Outline with Smart Text and Image Search. Make sure to turn this on, as it helps improve both the content and visuals automatically. Once that's done, simply click Confirm. As soon as I do that, the tool starts generating the presentation outline. Let me show you the outline it creates. You'll also notice a chat panel on the left side. From here, you can interact with the AI, ask questions, refine your content, make edits, and give additional instructions whenever needed, all without leaving the presentation workspace. Now, as you can see, the outline is completely ready. It has automatically generated a professional structure, including the cover page, content sections, strategic goals, content strategy, and more. You can review the entire outline and make any edits if needed before moving forward. Once everything looks good, simply click Confirm and Generate. As soon as you do that, Doki AI starts creating the final presentation automatically. You can see the generation process happening in real time. Now, as you can see, the final presentation is ready. And what I like most is that the presentation doesn't look AI generated. The layouts, visuals, structure, and overall design feel professionally crafted and presentation ready rather than looking like a generic AI output. And the best part is that it has been generated with animations, high quality visuals, and a professional design, all in just a few simple clicks. You can check the image quality, layout, and overall presentation structure. Everything looks polished and presentation ready. Once the presentation is generated, you also get a variety of customization options. One thing I like here is that you're not locked into AI editing only. You can either give instructions through the AI chat and let Doki make changes automatically, or manually edit text, images, layouts, spacing, and design elements just like a normal presentation editor. You'll also find an insert section where you can add images, charts, animations, and other elements. If you want to make changes to a specific slide, just select that slide and use the built-in AI chat to give instructions or request edits. When it comes to images, you get multiple options. You can generate AI images, search images from the web, or upload your own images directly from your device. For example, I'll click on Generate Image and enter a prompt. Generate social media logos like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and more.
You can also choose the image style, whether you want illustrations, 3D graphics, photos, or a custom style. I'll go with illustration. Then select your preferred aspect ratio and simply click Generate. Within a few moments, the AI will create the image and place it directly into your presentation. As you can see, the logos have been generated successfully. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can make further edits, customize them as needed, or simply use the regenerate option to create a new variation with just one click. Once the image is generated, simply click on apply and it will automatically be added to your slide. Within a few seconds, the generated visual will be placed directly into your presentation and ready to use. You can also generate AI images directly inside Doki. Simply enter a prompt, choose a style, and the generated image can be added to your presentation within seconds. Similarly, you can add your own images, generate new ones, or search and insert images directly from the web. You also get access to charts and graphs, including pie charts and other visual elements. Simply select the one you need and it will be added to your slide automatically. You can then customize it based on your requirements. Since I don't need any charts or additional elements for this particular slide, I'll leave it as it is and move on to the next step. You can also refine the slide directly from here. For example, you can simplify the layout, expand it, or use the auto-tuning feature to improve the overall slide. If I click on expand layout, the AI will automatically adjust and enhance the slide structure by adding more space and improving the arrangement of elements. As you can see, it's currently processing the changes and updating the slide in real time. Now, as you can see, the slide layout has been expanded successfully and the additional elements have been arranged automatically. You also get an animation section where you can add and customize animations for your slides. One particularly useful feature is auto entrance. With auto entrance enabled, the AI analyzes the slide content and automatically applies suitable animations based on the layout and information on the page. This helps create more engaging and professional transitions without requiring any manual work. Now, as you can see, the presentation looks much more professional and visually appealing. Even after the presentation is generated, you still have full control over customization. For example, you can change the theme at any time and instantly give your presentation a completely different look. You get plenty of editing options after the presentation is generated. You can edit text, images, layouts, animations, and other design elements however you like. If you need to add a new slide, simply click the plus icon, describe what you want, and Doki will generate it automatically while matching the style of the rest of the presentation. You can also make changes using simple text prompts. For example, if I want to improve the cover page or adjust specific design elements, I can simply describe the changes and Doki will update them automatically within seconds. Let's see the result. Based on my prompt, the AI has automatically updated the front page. If I need more changes, I can simply describe them in a prompt and Doki will apply them for me. For example, I changed the color of the growth text and the update was applied automatically within seconds. Starting with a rough collection of YouTube growth notes, Doki helped me turn everything into a professional presentation that I could realistically use for a client meeting, strategy session, business proposal, or content planning discussion. Now let's preview the final presentation. As you can see, everything looks polished and presentation ready, and I can still make additional edits whenever needed. Once you're done, you can export the presentation in formats like PDF, PPTX, PNG, or HTML. I'll download it as a PPTX file. And as you can see, it exports successfully in just a few clicks. You can also share your presentation using a public or private link. Overall, these are the main features of Doki AI. If you'd like to try it yourself, check out the link in the description. You can currently get 50% off with plans starting at $19 per month. Give it a try.